Baby. Come on. Come on. Hurry up. Billy. Hurry up. Come on. Come on. Uy. Come on. Come on. Okay. You got it. Okay, let's go. Walking. Wait. Wait. Oh, I got the neighbor. Yeah. Okay. Wait. Wait. Okay, let's go. Walking with Belle. Thursday afternoon. 5 p.m. Ayan. Walking. Dito sa street. Punta sa Starbucks. Kasama natin si Belle. Okay. Dito muna kami mga kababayan. Kasama ko si Belle. Mag-Starbucks. Bye-bye.